right, you guys, so here I am live at home. So on my whiteboard, I have $9.70 times 38 hours, 38 and a half hours. So if I were to start, I would like to make an estimate just so I know about where is this answer going to be. So I rounded 970 to $10 and 38 and a half hours to 40 hours, and that gives me about 400. So the cool thing about multiplying decimals is that the decimals do not have to be lined up. I want my numbers lined up. So I have 3 digits on the bottom and 3 digits on the top. So each one should be lined up just nicely. So next what I'm going to do is start in my ones place, which would be the 5, and I'm going to start multiplying. So you're going to listen and work. Actually, you're just going to listen and watch. So if I have 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 7 is 35. So I'm going to leave my 5. So this is where I am, and I'm using a different color to show that I'm multiplying my ones. 5 times 9 is 45. So that is my first answer. I'm trying to work fast because this only lets me record for so long. So my next place value is my 8, which is in the tens place. So I've got 8 times 0 is 0, plus I have my placeholder, so I have 2 zeros. 8 times 7 is 56, so I'm going to carry that 5. You know what? I made a mistake. When I did 5 times 7 is 35, I put the 5 down, but I forgot to carry the 3. So 5 times 9 is 45 plus 3 makes it 48. So thankfully I caught that in time. So we've got 8 times 7 is 56, so I'm going to carry the 5. 9 times 7 is 72, plus 5 makes it to 77. So here's my second row for my tens place, which was in red. And lastly, my hundreds place, which is a 3. So I've got 3 times 0, so I have 2 placeholders, plus 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21, so I have to carry that 2. 3 times 9 is 27, so 27 plus 2 more makes it 29. So I've got this huge row, and now I need to add as my final step. So I've got a bunch of zeros. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 6 plus 0 is 14. Carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 more is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry the 1. 9 plus 7, 15 plus 1 is 16. Nope, I'm wrong. 7 plus 9 is 16, plus 1 is 17. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So now I have this huge old answer. And the last thing that you need to do when multiplying decimals is count your decimal places. So up here, I have 1, 2 places. Up on the second row, I have 1. So that's 3 times. So over here, I have to move the decimal 3 times. So I start here at the end and I go 1, 2, 3, and place it right here. So that means she's earned $373, and that last zero doesn't matter because we don't have 3 in our cents. So she earned $373.45. So I want you to take notice that I had to count my decimal places to put the decimal in the right spot. You can't just guess. You must count, because sometimes it's not always going to be money, and you might have to move 3 places. So I'm going to ask you a question or do a little activity after this.